Welcome to my channel Apostle Mathematics. My name is Nikita Agarwal. I did my BTech and MTech in Mechanical Engineering and I have 5+ years of teaching experience. And today we are going to discuss about the trigonometry. Trigonometry is the combination of three Greek words. First of all, tri means three, gona means angle, and metry means measure. So in trigonometry we are going to deal with the right angle triangle and the measurement of angles and sides of a triangle. So in this there is mainly is the angles and sides of a triangle measurement. Now we are going to discuss about the base, perpendicular and hypotenuse of the triangle. Base, perpendicular in short form we write base as B, perpendicular as P and hypotenuse as H. So first of all we are going to consider a triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle B is always 90 degree. Angle B is always 90 degree. Now we are considering other angle at the position of angle C and we are going to give name as theta. If we are considering angle theta, then our base is just adjacent to the angle theta and perpendicular is in the front of angle theta. Correct? And hypotenuse is always fixed. This is really very important concept. If our angle is going to change, then our base and perpendicular is also going to change. For this reason, we are considering another triangle. In this triangle, our angle B is 90 degree only. And now we are considering our angle theta as the position of A. If our angle theta is shifted to the A, then our base is adjacent to the angle theta and perpendicular is in the front of angle theta and again hypotenuse is the same. This is really very important concept. If we are dealing with any question of trigonometry, then we have to firstly focus on the angle. If we have to given like you have to consider angle C as theta, then our base is BC and perpendicular is AB. Or if in the question this is given, you have to consider angle at the position of A, then our base is AB and BC is our perpendicular, like this only. Like in this triangle, BC is the base and AB is the perpendicular. Or in this triangle, AB is the base and BC is the perpendicular. Like everything is depend on the position of angle theta. Base and perpendicular is totally depend on the position of angle theta. Now we are going to discuss about some trigonometric ratios. This is also very important concept, that is trigonometric ratios, or we can also write as T ratios. There are 6 T ratios. For this again we are going to consider a triangle ABC. As usual, angle B is 90 degree and angle C is theta. Now there are 6 trigonometric ratios. In this we have to give the relationship between perpendicular, base and hypotenuse of the triangle. First of all, the name of 6 trigonometric ratios, that is sine theta, and we are taking theta because we are considering angle C and we give this angle C as a name theta, so that's why we are considering theta. So first of all, sine theta, cos theta and tan theta, and other three t ratios are sec theta, cosec theta and cot theta. Now, in this triangle, what is base? Base is always adjacent to angle theta. Then this is base, and perpendicular is always in the front of angle theta. So this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse, right? We have one shortcut trick. That is we call Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole Sona Chandi Tole. This is the complete concept of these T ratios. Students, see this spelling. Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole Sona Chandi Tole. Like sine theta. The answer of sine theta is Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole Sona Chandi Tole. So this one, like this one, this P upon H is the answer of this sine theta. Cos theta's answer is B upon H, and tan theta's answer is P by B. Now this concept is clear or not? Like first of all we have to learn Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole Sona Chandi Tole. So the first two words is sine, that is P by H, cos, that is B by H, tan theta is P by B. Clear? Now we have to deal with cosec, sec and cot. So cosec theta is always reciprocal of sine theta. So we can write cosec theta as H upon P, and cos theta is, and sec theta is the reciprocal of this cos theta. So we can write that as H upon B, and cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. So we can write as B upon P. This is really very important concept. I am going to explain again the T ratios. There are 6 T ratios and there is a shortcut trick, that is Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole Sona Chandi Tole. So first sine theta as P by H, cos theta B by H and tan theta is P by B, and cosec, sec and cot are thus reciprocal of sine, cos and tan. Now we are going to discuss some important note points regarding sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. So first of all, we can also write cosec theta as, note point 1 is this, we can also write cosec theta as 1 upon sine theta. We can write sec theta as 1 upon cosec theta. Sorry, sec theta is 1 upon cos theta, and we can write cot theta as 1 upon tan theta, because in this concept we are already discussed that cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta, sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta and cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. And the important point number 4, we can also write cosec theta multiplied by sine theta as 1, because from here we can cross multiply this like 1. So cosec theta multiplied by sine theta is equals to 1. Now we can also rewrite as sec theta multiplied by cos theta is also 1, and cot theta multiplied by tan theta is also equal to 1. These are some concepts that we are going to use in this chapter. And now the 7th important point is like this. We can also write tan theta as sine theta upon cos theta. We have to prove this. we know that sine theta is what is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Now we can substitute the value of sine theta and cos theta. Value of sine theta is p by h and value of cos theta is b by h, and in this we can cancel h by h, so left is p by b, and that is equals to tan theta. So value of tan theta is p by b, and we can also rewrite tan theta as sine theta upon cos theta. Now we are going to discuss about cot theta. In the case of cot theta, we can also write this as cos theta upon sine theta. We know the value of cos theta. What is the value of cos theta? That is Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole sona chandi tole. So second column is going to give the value of cos theta, that is b by h, and third column is first column is giving the value of sine theta, that is p by h. So we in this case we can cancel h by h, and the left is cot theta is equals to b by p. So we can also write cot theta as b by p. So now this is clear. Now we are going to discuss one question related to these only. First of all, question 1 is this, like we have given tan theta is equals to 4 by 5, and we have to calculate other 5 trigonometric ratios. We have to calculate other 5 t ratios. This is our question. So in this question, now we are taking one right triangle ABC. Okay, in this we know that tan theta is 4 by 5. So according to this Pandit Badri Prasad har har bole, what is tan theta? Tan theta is perpendicular upon base, or here angle theta is this and angle B is 90 degree. So what is base? This is the base, and this is perpendicular. So base is equals to 5 and perpendicular is equals to 4. So we have to calculate the hypotenuse. So how we are going to calculate the hypotenuse? By using Pythagoras theorem. So everybody is knowing Pythagoras theorem. We can rewrite this as AB square plus BC square is equals to AC square. Or they are in the ratio, so we can write this as 4k or upon 5k. So what is AB? AB is the perpendicular, that is 4. So 4k square plus BC is 5, that is 5k square. So if we square, then 16k square plus 25k square is equals to AC square. And now 16 plus 25, what is 16 plus 25? We can calculate 16 plus 25, 6 plus 5, 11, and 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 41. So we can write AC as 41k. AC as we can write under root 41k. Now we are going to calculate each and every trigonometric ratios. We know that sine theta is what? Now we know that sine theta is p by h, cos theta is b by h, and tan theta we already know. So what is p? P is 4k, and hypotenuse we calculate as under root 41k. So we can cancel k to k, and answer is 4 upon 41, 4 upon under root 41. Or in this case we have to calculate cos theta, so b is 5k, and again hypotenuse is under root 41k, so we can calculate k, cancel k to k, and the answer is 5 upon root 41. Now you can calculate other three trigonometric ratios like cosec theta. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sine theta, so that is 41 upon 4, and sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, so sec theta is root 41 upon 5, or cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, so that is 5 by 4. Note down these questions, and we are going to discuss some other question related to this topic in the next videos. And please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Thank you all.